Today, we are going to discuss our next topic of management, that is, nature of management. Shall we start? Nature of management. Some authors describe management as a science, some regard management as an art, and for some, management is considered as profession. So, in order to understand whether management is a science, art, or profession, we must understand the meaning and features of science, art, and profession and compare them with the meaning and features of management. Here we go. First, management as a science. What do you mean by science? Science means a systematic body of knowledge that helps in explaining general truths or operation of general laws. Means science is based on system. There are some features of science. First, systematic body of knowledge. Second, principles based on experimentation. And third, universal validity. Now we have to check whether these principles and features are applied in management or not. First, systematic body of knowledge. Scientific principles are based on cause and effect relationships. Management also has a systematic body of knowledge because it has its own theory and principles that have developed over a period of time. Thus, this feature of science is present in management. Second, principles based on experimentation. Scientific principles are first developed through observation and then tested through experimentation. The principles of management are derived over a period of time through observation and repeated experimentation. So, this feature is similar to science, but here in management we have to deal with the human beings and results of human beings are unpredictable. Thus, management is considered as an inexact science. Next, universal validity. Scientific principles have universal validity and application, whereas management principles are not applied universally. They have to be modified according to the situations. So, this feature is also not present in science. Now, conclusion. Universal validity. This feature is not present in management because management has to modify their principles according to the given situations. Systematic body of knowledge. Yes, like science is based on system, similarly management is also based on system. Based on experimentation. This principle or this feature is not fully present, but somehow management is an inexact science because management principles are based on experiments and science is also based on experiments. So we can call management as a social science. Hope this concept is clear to all of you. Next, management as an art. What do you mean by art? Art means application of skillful and personal application of knowledge in order to achieve the results. Art means application of any skill. Means when a goldsmith shaping gold into ornaments then it is his art to convert the raw gold into finished gold. Carpenter making furniture out of wood means it is an art of carpenter to convert the furniture into wood. So, following are the features of art. Existence of theoretical knowledge, personalized application, and third is based on practice and creativity. Now, we have to see that whether these features are present in management or not. How management is an art? Management is an art because management and art both are based on practical knowledge and personal skills. Management and art both required creativity and talent. So, we can consider management as an art. Let's see that. First, existence of theoretical knowledge. Any art, like acting, public speaking, dancing, presupposes the existence of certain theoretical knowledge. A successful manager practices the art of management in the day-to-day job of managing an enterprise based on the study, observation and experience. So, there is existence of theoretical knowledge in both management and art, therefore this feature of art is present in management. Next, personalized application. The use of the basic knowledge varies from individual to individual. Art is therefore a very personalized concept. For example, two dancers, two speakers will always differ in demonstrating their art. A manager applies the scientific methods and body of knowledge to a given situation in his own unique manner. So, every manager has a different way to do the work, means it requires personal application of his theoretical knowledge. So, this feature of art is present in management. Next, based on practice and creativity. Art involves the continuous practice of existing theoretical knowledge. Management satisfies this criteria as manager gains experience through regular practice and becomes more effective. So, this feature is also present in management. Now, it's time to conclude that all the characteristics of art with management is present in management. Hence, we called management as an art but not as a science. So, management is an art but management is an inexact science. Thank you.